Opium is the dried latex obtained from the opium poppy. Opium contains approximately 12% morphine, an alkaloid, which is frequently processed chemically to produce heroin for the illegal drug trade. Opium for illegal use is often converted into heroin, which is less bulky, making it easy to smuggle, and which multiplies its potency to approximately twice that of morphine. Heroin is derived from the morphine alkaloid found in the opium, and it's roughly 2 to 3 times more potent. A highly addictive drug, heroin exhibits euphoric and analgesic central nervous system.